As AI is taking over the world, it's bringing new ways to carry out cyber crimes as well. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Google's threat intelligence group said it discovered, for the first time ever, a threat actor using a zero-day exploit that it believes was developed by AI. What's that? Zero-day vulnerabilities are the most dangerous since they're unknown to the targets, leaving them with 0 days to prepare for the attack. Google said in the report the threat actor was planning to use it in a mass exploitation event, but its proactive discovery have prevented its use. Google added that it doesn't believe its own Gemini models were used, but still has high confidence an AI model was part of discovering the vulnerability and weaponizing an exploit. The GTIG report didn't identify the target, but said that Google notified the unnamed company, who then patched the issue. Google didn't name any names, but hinted at those who were associated with China and North Korea, and it's shown significant interest in using AI for exploiting security vulnerabilities. With how fast AI models have evolved for everyday use, it's not surprising that they would be used with malicious intent. In an interview, John Hultquist, the chief analyst at GTIG, called it a taste of what's to come and the tip of the iceberg, adding that this case was just the first evidence of these sorts of attacks. Google reports that threat actors have been using AI in different stages of a cyber attack, but that AI can also be a powerful tool for defenders. Like Google, other companies are using AI models to power preventative measures, just like Anthropic's Project Glasswing. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.